What do you want to show me?
I'm showing you the chimney.
Show me the what?
Chimney.
Where Santa Claus comes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now show me. That's the chimney where Santa Claus is coming? Is Santa there?
Nope. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Where's Christmas?
Only at Christmas? Okay. Where is he going to put the Christmas presents? Right there? Are you going to bring cookies and milk to Santa Claus?
Yeah. It's a ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.